In the bustling office kitchen, Alex investigates the case of the missing lunches. Lisa, the lunch bandit, enjoys her stolen sandwich, leaving a trail of crumbs behind. Gary, the office manager, sighs in frustration, "Not again." Setting up a coffee cup camera, Alex begins the lunchtime stakeout. Lisa, the lunchtime ninja, sneaks in wearing a black beanie, ready for her next heist. Gary accidentally spills coffee on the surveillance equipment, causing a commotion. Accusing Lisa of being the lunch bandit, Alex confronts her as her pockets bulge with stolen snacks. Lisa denies the accusations, but the evidence is overwhelming. Gary proposes a solution: lunchbox licenses with stickers for everyone. Lisa forgets her sticker and faces the consequences of her actions. Sharing a sandwich, Alex and Lisa forge an unlikely friendship, leaving Gary amused at the office madness.